Okay, my people, now welcome back to my channel. How una dey? I hope una dey fine. How everything? I hope everything dey fine with una. For me, as una dey see, I dey fine. I thank God for everything. My people, I don't come back again with another news, another ogbonge one. Wey be say, if you see this one, my people, he go chocolize you. If everywhere don't read, my people. I say only me one no go see this video. Make una also see this video, make una settle down, watch this video till the end. I beg my people also, if you never subscribe to this channel, what you they wait for? As you they subscribe, you could see more video like this one. Okay, my people, I beg, make una subscribe, like and share. For this junction, I go to leave una, make una watch the video, and I go also see you now for the next one. Okay, my people, see you all, stay blessed. Stay cool, and I love you all, and bye-bye.
Ana we na history we banana bia we ran what ado bege emi bu no e afianya gbe demi no wa e go ifianya gbe demi no ifianya gbe. What is the meaning of ifianya gbe? Kwani bu ma me na tie ifianya gbe demi no me wu mo ifianya gbe o wa no ma de wu odo oni ifianya gbe. It's not a fake life. Those are not fake life. For me, I don't call it fake life. If you are me own age, but I will not tie a fake life. But I don't make time one. So, I give you boost life you wear. Only at a proud fake life. Or a boost life you wear. Where is this? Where is the even Abemana, we are clear, I beg we on our top manage your border almost to show. Or one barana, or one quick, or one we get a bear, or one who slim, or bora that way we wait with Amos to him. Itoria, Imatori. Amos to him. Because the face we set you every time people see no who are all very large with face way. Even a gbema ho very honor. Because you don't sleep very well. Obviously, imagine what we for how long? And number two, we are a great condition ego set it there boja. Because you will like to please people, you will like to be buying new clothes, you will like to be changing new hair, you will like to be doing say yes, more on body, ubege ya, not pa, iye rame, we bo ma ya je, we me miloni anoduk mo every day, ama iwo we hogu, we bo ma ya je, we mi vie, we sister brother wa we temata. Where me no me go no duk mo every day. Mani me go or duk mo every day. Ask me why. I will give you the reason. Mani me go what's the na duk mo every day because they buy to €2 cloth for €5. Mani me go a here duk mo. I walk man of a year. They will buy quality. Also, wa so we mani me go. Iya kaka bomo mo. But when I saw way man even go ni duk mo every day. Ukmo ni a job 2 years ago. Se finye yeting enjoy. Cause I'm me so wege na we are wa job we set enjoy gbava. We are wa fear ya me or wa me kwa. Yes. So have money poor or juk mo be or the look mo every day. E man even go. E man only ya deceive you wa. Ni a flash you wa we ya de bam. I don't make can I get money say lie. Or I may go. You will never see nyama for her body or for his body anymore. I am not joking for this message. Ona gelega me go where God don't bless me, I don't make her. Ye ga jukmo why get to jukmo. Oga vie jewelry sijegbe why get to vie jewelry sijegbe. Oga okbia no ga je suit. Unwe go okbia gele je suit. Oga gbiba to bege go no ro bo. Oma no make e. Duk mo every time. Even sometimes throughout the year, duk mo ba. Because on again 5 years ago, or ye reanga, or ye walk on new one, you know. Or hey, when ye devil with January, or ye raw. Ma bege, or deliver every day. Especially if you want to give yourself heart attack. Not aside that akitako. No. Wa do mo every day una amu ne picture le Facebook. Ma no gugwe we matataki na gugwe we matataki na because your money is going. You are not achieving a good thing. All the money you are making, you are investing it for ukmonega janova. Ukmonega viare drakina. Ukmonega hogbava. You are giving yourself a pain. Oh, ukma ya oma no make no. Itoria imatori. Oh, ukma na jo aya oma no make. Moto na fi aya oma no make. They will see your company. A company kenigo ni kelare. And they march on uje. And ebonana biya wa ujobo. Aya oma no make. Where it changes to me every day. No, for me, equal wise. I may not go university, but those kind of things, I know it very, very well. Oh, we all go in a seleke. Oh, do more every day. Because I got a 50 euro like it. Or buy 20 clothes. Better that I got a 50 euro like it. Or do money, or back can be 50 euro. Toria. Imatori. They don't buy like when on see me Jenna. Duk mo every day. Duk mo every day. Work me so 2 years in duk mo. But when I say no view mo eji. Ukmenye masori me. When I say anga. Baby says baba ni ya kie ma gwa nugwa ukmo. No age na ya yela no ya ve no ge. Be na ya no ya o ke drakinare. Ve no ya enrich ehe. You know, ya wa ye radio akina but talking me yage me ya mama eje uwe go drop we iye be tama me owe every day ya dukmo every day ya dukmo. You are not pleasing people, you are displeasing yourself. You dey please people and displease yourself. If you want people to say you dey enjoy gabere machon uji adabe henwo wa ni gugo nya Agmo, we that person don't make a mo, wa mi wa match on that dinner. Only one no make a Ukmonajo is a fake life. I only flash you wow way. I don't make a de better is a lie. Making it without seeing it around you. Making it without quality things in your body. Making it without better handbag. If you are a man, no better watch. Do you know where they say somebody make her? So this life ni Marijena, a fake life ibungbe. People want to destroy other people's happiness. So where I make be my very own, when you advice where nothing there. You are even better than those people. When I need you more every day because we got key wardrobe where I'm you no many way. I'm a bag and shoe no many. Those are people not getting with just they are living fine. It's a fake life. Why again ya distract or what with Facebook? You don't make the house you are living is a rent. You don't make her. You don't even have it. Do you know how many people on real life video not watch? It cannot jebe webo ulafo. Or veje ko ogo boy no je do ogo boy no je worry ogo boy. Those people said they can't even make noise. Oh my God, make a noise. Oh my God, cannot even talk say I don't bless. No, the only thing altar it will give you advice. Imobole have a page. You can never see Omego just come and say, I don't better, don't make her, you know, day. Although go work in a parable way. It will talk to you how to make a life, how not to depend on somebody who don't make her, how to find your whole way. It will encourage you quality. And he encourage you, then you will not learn from there. But those people that said they have make it, no jukme ukmaba every €1 they can never advise you how to make money because they don't have. They can never even tell you, say, before I do this, before I build mansion for so place, look at what I passed through. Look at how I fight for my life. Look at the beginning of my life. They cannot say it because they don't have. The only thing they show you people how to shakara, that is not a life. So appreciate Eminume. Omaneme aenya. Omanegbema okwawe onwe. So wagawu wasoto. Especially when you are a Christian, please. Aba we na. Aboni me Facebook with that on or yok bomb. Omo wo go da mo wo ye kana wona me no na wagmo be ma no na ne. Ama no mi no na o ma ge package wa be no. Ori yok boni ona sia go da ona sia ye ke. Ona cross away. Where God don't bless me, I don't better, I don't make money na way. Hey. O wa nu je rent. We make it go. Where we not make it go. So for those now who left from this message, you are better than them. If you are jukmo, ukmo no shine. Look at all when we're not rugby when we're not rugby. The difference is too clear. Your O is quality. Adobo me go duk money with every day. They better one year. A week bavano adoge muta adoge soma. It's okay. Ira ya duk money mo we webo. Uga on mbo uga on koko je moto. Uga on mo in Nigeria ana simi ni webo they are not like that. Iwe vie especially yana egoge a fake no get better one in vio. Any avio, ni ansimi, oh, one de. In Africa, I might better where we were. Ya simi only ya stand you. So God bless you all. E mata do time wa gi amata attack inu wa. Wa gi amata attack inu wa fake life. Ove mo ve no wa be si le go DJ be Facebook. Oni ovijo ba wa be no. Oni e ko din no ya mo egbe to ya rent e. En wa be ya je gbugwa hin pia. Wa mu egbe na ogwa we dress we no go queen we na dia imani no wati imani ni oge ina we wa be go itimi ono na wa be change joy wa be mego. It's a fake life. It's a fake life. We ga mi wo tokeka ima toke ba ya hon we ave go dinini wa ya mu egbe ni oge. Because they want to be using it to change you people brain from Christianity to darkness life. Okay, God bless you. One person don't write his name. God will bless you. It's a fake life. Oh, a woman no he go to no Lagos. Evani oya wa vatine. And wa be mio we be ta we jeme unisanya ya fin kiame yo. Don't ever try it. A fake life, you know. Avuk mono wa Johnny no revero avato ya u no wala wo when it turn my people I give me rewujua o okay abiya ni bi rewebo ni veje big golds amu no jegbe many of them they are still hustle iniya no bunya wa webo mayaje abie no ma job we na gele awe no ma job o easy akebe macho wa gi matemata ma gbe o easy o ma no be macho mecho we yan oda fun ga mi better salary we me want to have that fun we me 15 it cannot happen so una me ni okwo na mo do ona be macho be sumi po everything na raw igbe agano igbe agana na mudia yukpo igbe agane oge through internet iya wa bunu do e London yes iya wa bunu do e London imagine ya do e beti London wa re London kakabo de e France maybe on ya mu ya be so e be France I me Europe ni na we o me city no ya totally uje panta bra u ya register beba uri no ba wecho iye we maybe 1 hour is 200 pounds or 300 pounds. So you see that room is somewhat here there we ma beg ni go no gbe e moti we ma beg ni go no ho so iya wa we e so ro ni be ro wodo no be duwe Why oh no make any of baba or support of high or my go very on where a stroke young ya day. Oh, hang away. Dog very Jemmy. And ya very Jemmy. I want ya. So in winning internet, you know, on a glass, if not see any glass, a yana do ya. So now, oh, we are yana where. You understand? So my people, ega we go orun opara on of your boy emi no ba we bo no mi gogo. If your boy emi no ba wa gwaligo baba eko we mi no ati u kere because you jore gwe me na gwe nata emi ro pare ba amana e wa na fian ma wi jo he me bo wa ni ya la we bo emi ro pare ba igo ne alternative ya have go de gbe ya renovate Emiro agene emiro pa dereba ogwa na boye Nigeria nothing there emani ejo o emani jo gwa every year ni ya tota yo wian we gi boy una pa mo ye rent okay se 2 years adota ma we eri agi mo sese o eri enu do pente o enu we do wona agwere gbese ni go je ba eri emu bo bi again re wa gomoro pa deceive wa emu bo bi again re nu relax nu e kokoko wi we nu afianfe ma wi je nu aja papaje oda fon we gbe wo yon si na gbon mana ma we because so many guests ri wa do be na iyan wa ja papaje oda fiyan gbe iyan wa ni pe ani ro be ja papaje wo kiyan gbe emi ro pare ba brother nu amu we yi school o iba ni emi je ọmọ na koko eba na emiji emi ro pare ba not dede I not lie eni no just eni wa ware we madam onya wa na kina call my dear call mommy obokia call okay what is second flat here okay call what is do is Ostie noro wejia meno okay call we compound yana wa gbe wen madam la wo madam mo and marry okay are the other back a flat in rowa imagine rowa madam okay ya ti ya gun phone wa mi bo ya werere ya lo yele lo to ya to we igo ni ya ha no ma uga mujo obibi ju e umi e wo bia uga be mu na eject ite by the grace of God oga eject no wa megbe no oga we ya ma pay ati ya pay ne na o uga be mu ne lawyer oga lawyer no wa megbe no owu ya ma pay o adi ya pay ne sometimes ya here wa lao wa mi go we ni we are here lao but ye garu we ne igo ni ko salo papa ye na ya mi go e the so mi ya o depend of the area no gele ya boga ye better area ebe mu apako be jojo o ma na me mu na ebe je better area bu ya mogwa o me girlfriend mo pa o wage is 800,000 every year 800,000 oh you go amaya mo gboni so on na receive by 5 million you cannot carry that kind of a house so ebo mo bo mo wa we ni ya we mo ya asa be we ni manore line na jena na we mana bo wai o gata mata e ke na rio to be 2 million 3 million 1 million 800 ya go pa be na 300,000 o ya rio to area na rio to be 300,000 any go wen ya mo wa we bai I so boy you get area na rio wa be 250,000 100 by 100 any go wen ya motor bai I ludogbo wa ludogbo fo uze kia wa ludogbo de o do love your bello pa we ze kia o look baba we ze look baba o do se ekene na gbedi we ze kene na wa bedi o gbere gbe kia o wa ro pa giro o gbere gbe kia e mechi imo majo umana moto u setinjo inigo de no ma yari 200,000 o mana ya bo wa ye gbo ni inigo we yin ya reto gbo wa ni oh hono guy the best house we me no move with 20,000 a year bagi wu we gbo wo to you understand amen oh you go build in the name of Jesus you must build okay can wa ya be experience won Okay, can we have experience? Say, man, when we bid, no again have a bid or bid. No, we have a bid, no problem. Uma committee sin, uma go on wa. Era mata woman abogwani ega gnoma. Ijwe mata woman abogwani ega gnoma. Omo no we be mata we daddy. Era vi jwe sefi o makanya. E monu we be mata we daddy na bido ave Nigeria. Ya iwe de gbe when anywhere. So e kile gbe wejo. Don't even bother. Look unto God. Look where you are going to. Because so that will wear all bright is a kenny makede. Good night. God bless you. Wa mi otonya wota o chipa chiko no to wana wa o do to no hui o to no ruwe gbo wa izekia kaka o dema e machine we agona machine mu we ahia o we 500 euro 500 naira ya mu we o do we ke no we mu we 7 mu we la we so wa ni ke we bore du wa we bo wa kaka bore gbe wu we won ohun wo je 6 million ya doctor. Because the women no igogbe. Or what 5 million ya doctor so far o maka kabodegbe o be area no open area ne big maybe je oji ke like beriani area ne area no ji mobola area ne poor people je area na ba gbe una kan yo kan re street because see yan o be ra biva me area agbe wa area ne awoji were oji ga run wen yan no area ne area boss je ne von ojire iya ga re won yan giyan re o yan mo mi gua o ade e mata meta mo wena iya o mo meke do pa yo gbere eri ani me ga aje meke do pa yan kenzuare me ma one day awojire one day at the stadium road job business de gbe ma de do ye jebe gena me ma one day gbe e de igbe bo do asogo ojire o wa o ima hon but every time aya hon ko pare Echeme about TJ me so I worry. Iya worry, iya we oji wa dora manaso. Mama o everi o gbe. Mama o because o si iya egwe mani ro gbe. Iya wo gbe. Iya mo so mi to e oji gari ri ani. And many of them am roba ya bikin. Itogia. Many of them no be aro gbe am roba ni am roba ya bikin. But iya he wo wa o iya jo. Iyobe yanju. So now so my people. God bless you all of now. Uge kenwana de. I forget what's an ateme wamana imogi vi gbo ba e kovun wa. Onwere ga si o ma gbe e ma. A topic if you go my betana. Wakima talking ma. Wakimate topic ma. Veni mi ya mani ma e. A prayer point in irie la diana. Wa serious we. A prayer na o ma. A blessing o. One sister brother o ma ije. Ya zese. We picture ni ka o ka hun. We no zese no e. O we na ne mani ke yo almost to be we na no e. Wa na ni ware dori. Odi days again agbona mene kolu ani go mene ria yawa aya ga me no ma egwe nu rigore o se nu na se o se ni prayer me na se so even ni pay ge vow we na anu e ha biya e va you no mind whether ya e ha o ya e va mind ya pay ge vow ya e va okay ya e va no wani wa e va ni pay ge vow we no wa ma e ponu wa kere re egidio wavo salobo ami salobo iwe nu wa na gele do asa eri o we gba awo enu wa kian God of salt and water will never forget you. He will always stand by you anytime you call upon him. Jesus Christ is the salt and water ministry. God, say my God. Anybody know always prayer point image, you must call the name of Jesus Christ. Don't do my prayer without calling Jesus Christ. Wonder. Go and bring my charger in the room, please. Yeah, bring all the charger. I am in the parlor. Yes. Hello.
Hello, mommy.
Who's that?
Woman. Wait to when I call you again. Now, when no come, Ghana woman, no West.
Oh, yeah. Go be on my charger, me come plug.
Go. Topic is a very wonderful topic. I mean, what teaching now. So, we should be looking unto God, the author and the finisher of our faith, because it's Psalm 121 verse 1. Or where I will look unto that hill, where does my help coming from? So, my kaboa rosa, maga rosa, my mutinyansa, because I mean your plan, I said to you, woman who here, oh, no, was a local passage, or no ma, you are he may be Western Peno, you cannot let he may be Destin Peno, Yakogita, you life in Usaloqua, it passage. So, no. Okay, can you live Venus Aloqua high, when be no way, okay, can you live? Because if we so, yes, your Daffy Apollo. Iya was your Daffy Apollo, we are Marieva, we are Yamake, no more. Iya wa Poleo, now you be raining now, it's not give no.
Our big. Will not give it any now. Ibata not give it any now. Do one name go. We are more so. My we are a t-shirt in Orion, don't buy a slacky, sister. Cabo letter any boom. We are so where a money reap. Thank you. Thank you.
You were sort of a millionaire, but a sorrow no is enough for we are damn so no. Because it's a very good topic, because I don't wear a Toriopa or Massafia Wuriemilla. So, no.
Another thing again. I invite you where we cool. Hey, borrow mon yajo. Hey, duke mon coin. Hey, the jewelry si coin. Woman in on here jewelry si no si cop mo whatever. Umego, I'm put it down, take it. I'm at here where we could wear umana reo, where. Uwa call mama where mama la wo, even a view you view gume, ia pay me where boweni, la mubae me la okapo vi bata, no time when go no he. I will go by women. Here, pay me next month. When we never keki me 1,002. Here, pay Nima. Here, what pay me next month? He can worry go when we way. My we may go to manage no care. He may cut on it to me. Wa Nimaya ko manage. Sister, me how dare you? How dare you? It's not insult. It's not insult. It's a good environment. How dare you? How dare you, my sister? Una what your mama no he jewelry no he gunning. A gun near the €2. When mama wa munwe only get because we are deck on our way on. Agi wa weku. Ajuk mokun yajiku. Una me go get jo tota yowa. Una me bata book mo tota yowa. Una me go no ya we tota yowa. Oh. Ukmonukame wuwe mi mula dianu joy. Eta we waya gbalo gidi gan woman gbalo gidi gan ya gewe let them laugh. Eta we waya ga we ala chisu we mana wu ya gewe let them do it. Everybody cannot dress the same dressing a party. I must to segbe. Everywhere tibatama we. Ina so gajiku e toto we na e toto. Everything go be quality. Better with golds, rituals, golds, show and back quality. I must to say, so de yosa. Why iti mama no vie gani howa? Why iti no vie jewelry so get to €2, €5. On a one opportunity, or what the more €50 no. we care again because or accept me a here no ekun no la wo no here no wa when wa bo bi we wa to manage what ugun ege no ya ta me mama gi go na pay no eku we komo o sajo ma ya la go ta o aga wo saka e go na receive be moti ejo ma ya progress e ma to salo bata mu wana ana wo saka ke go ni government ari enu wa on the 22 or on the 2nd ejo ma ya meet up. You will always poor. You will always full of sorrow. Why are you setting it down? What? You will always poor. Una ge wuk monu mebo wamana please you. Goma please you. La wo bijeme. Ejo. Etuk mo kwen. Momi go kwen. La wo. So bi a momi go bi wikuna ya fi. Wage iwe. Ojo ma ya mat attack. Uwege mega ariswe manifigo wiku. Ito salo begime. Iga ariswe manifigo wiku. Ugme so ma regret ebe di agbene. A secret oge watamu wana. Awoge gnamono we show a big woman or big man e wiku. We so wa edene igbene awe kyo wiji mi. Iji 1,000 wale limi ariko iwa fie yafo. And this the person on nije wa no a 50 euro wi heme. Oh ma go be do me hin. Na zobo wi kuna. Ega ni mama eso a black taxi. Mama eso afien we black taxi ega ni. Mana koko la train. Ye ma wi meri ye kinye that say no mana ri ye come na. Ona wa atalo ye iva. We go there ya pay wa iwa ya fear biko no ono wa saviwa ono bobe vanya hu we wu ye teta we ye jiku na bena of course ari wawe all of them aro 20 kakabo figo biko e de agbe aro ha o anu isen wo yan regret we ata aro 17 wo yan regret iya wa regret so emitete ya we wa me 100 euro vacancy we ya fi 20 euro wa me 1000 vacancy we ya fi 100 euro ogu we me 1 naira vacancy we ya fi 100 euro bu ogu we me 500 euro vacancy we ya fi 100 euro cause we mo wa de le pampas. Wa ama di on the list you know where back where anybody no be no make can go drive account to wa when imagine na you gonna drive but me be manager amogba won but to amogba no momo bona o meti se no dojo igbe so wa ene wo bi ejagbon na ne e gi go afo be wallet we won ato na ibad o hono ke 5 euro e papa simeti wa fo go baba na unu na oboro we. So akokigo a live video na ni una ma wa well we wa wetun why we are here and we live video total ye kete so ono na igwe ni wa be yari bota ni ma 20 minutes te we agbe so ina wa be do gbomo sun na wa okay imala dan to we live video iwa we cause arwe ha or drop a message where momi jode ma wa kai wo magila dina ni do time wa we no wa agwe igele promise wa we 2 hours time wa ami so iso when I viekere ina lo viekere so amara pa gwigi maladi on ni na ladi ami na iwa to tama no pon enu wa be ma they want to belong eri of eje ya be ya de by meeting una me go get by meeting because igbaha okpa we week na okpa we next week okpa we nenemi una mego bo ka bo go down ne uki ari egbu eju po no bo we ma se wa na mi ma so na ya ga mo egbin ya yekete no bi ya ma se we gbele ko do di o bo ka fo se gbe ekian to se ge no kian kekian e no wa be fo se gbe e be ri e ba e kon yo keri e ba obo kan pa e ma force we ri o itan or the but when mommy I'm not a guy when or you but you cannot force a mature person. So get say time away. Don't rush. Agbonriye wa mi deba we ka mi agbonriye. I pay wa mo. Inigo 200 euro una mo egbo ye meeting Nigeria no wana go every week. Ekinaya wo down no ya be na ya wo yeke. Waya ni ro waya ni kewe boya zio susu we Nigeria de no mo wa we bo wugwa because iya no mo wa yen dogbe kini ana when I investigate bana we government o wa yaji wa le lo ni say government here e woman na be na bota mame no wo meto na oriri ekene government has assistant social ona he gbe gege gugu assistant social na ta my we su se na gebe no shani here. We and my where I knew the assistant so time with baby no go me. Ina me kabe me na me atai we yan riekene yan no help ma jo kekeni am with baby no go me. So ugbe gi wegbe life ni wa hi am ya no ujo bonu do mu baby no go me. Egbe nu gbe ma mu wo wa egbe nu gbe ma mu ya joy. So we neru no sa ba ze ge wenu pa yo biyan ro gba no bu no wa ye ro biyan wa na do ri e chele di ri chema wo biyan. Ovi wa no dio wa ye o ame bi e wa ke arobia okay averi e benu wa ne sister uma panyo biya ni re because a woman na wa time na wetin am we gbe no go me gelegele bi ari bata go no ya jo o gbin won ye bi bata na ya robe dos mi o ma we pe o we bata na yin gbajo e wu ni ajo e nyaganya go fo awi abo o gele show we na me wu si agbin yen we na we for what you have documents ya win na. Yeah, winner. Mama read the waiting comments more. They oh, it be like say you know, sir. I not even they read comment today. You know we yeah winner. Do we be what you been one what by your being because why are you woman me ya me wait because you go if I 20 euro. Mama go work. If you take government hands, they give you documents. Stay away from their hand. Freedom. You have to be free. Ogwama diani banyo ogwama diani re. Banyo ogwama diani re temeni ku. Ogwama diama na jo. Uga wame aga edu wame ni se. Uga gbebata la wa aga edu mweken la wa. Uga tota wenu tota yo tokeka. Ogwama diama na jo. Ijo gwama diabe do na be dojo gwama diabe webu. Ugbe me agbomo no rogwa matiai ogwa matie webo mi na yakpoto ni yagi yagbe me up to today amani yero mewe meto ke denike amani ge o yere gwe me mana emi na yakpoto oge ranoro oge maton yagi gele gbe egbera me be madame ugbe mo pa biata ito banasi because he jog wa matie do ina be joge webu ido banasi go ne igi do banasi ne awe 8,000 9,000 aya $5 $1 was 6,000 ina we make it de mommy if no what see so meta mu wa na o ina we mommy make it de 6,000 me ya very babes gele wa fe ina we get city awe o yeri o 9,000 wa no 9,000 wa no yeri 6,000 ijime bete o with $1 wa ya mi emego adoga French one wa ya mi emego a French one is 5,000 since we $1 we no $1 is 6,000 awe o 9,000 wa no 9,000 wa no ina pa gbera me na wa fi pejo ni na we na 9,000 wa no wa gbe na we la wa eva mo me la we boa no pa wa eva mo me na we pa we me ta igbina dene ya eva ya me madam ya na wa so ame fi we toilet ya ki gele gbe me kon si ba to na fi vedero ya ki gele gbe me so ogwa ma dia ma na jo anybody no egi ogwa ma dia be free. I command you to free, sister. Free no ya gwale wina. Hey biele ga gwale ya no do mweko no enu we ba. Go and walk. uga mo pia na me begwe no ro wa no ku wa gba o ko mo no we ya so nwina iya ri gele gbe me iji ya ga reba iji ya na amugbina ekra no bota o ega ni ya iki gele gbe me ne madam ya bere we igbe obo me da oni na wa mu emi na ya poto onu wa gbe yo me we ori gbe yo me we me na wa va era ni na wa va we me up to today na ewe ni o ye me no me be ni ya ja me ko ni ite ye he mi amegwe ni because again no ya we ni ma hospital ime be na ya hospital ma e fian o veri o ma e kerokpa e be na veri ye me ni ya akian ya na mi me so anari e photostat me that's any atem ye na mi mo original ye na mi mo original ye gele gbe me be dere ina so iwune o police na te police ya na ku ewuto ya na ku ya nye igbe mefo ne ije na idosi me pagbe me iba ma ro pa oge ina wa ari ewuto wie gume wa san le ewuto wa unu floor no ga han ye 4 floor 4 or 5 floor ko si ya ku ya wi pa gume wa san le ewuto ne wi agbegbe mewa ya te gbegbe mewa be dere o ko so bo egwe mi na wa me vu o vu wa mi rani era na ya kpoto madam na wa swe yo megwe oye ne megwe ye oye seti awo ki ame because the no ga him about 2 weeks ago itam ba magbaro we na we egwe ni ne madam egbe mi jo me o be sege no we ya o je be a time no we ya we ne mini ya so no be se beti ma ije no hire beto me ge no ya be kia mo no wa be so asi me maybe etia you say but o me wa aje bi no ka wa aje before o te wa me vu because when you ate do work no te suppose ni ya moistry so imagine amani na wa e poto yo me we sagin igige we me na we awa gbegbe me wa gunme wa san le muto ije na wa si me ono wa si me we gbe onu wa gba me gine gbe la gogo bi me ijere ma na o mi no wa be wu oba wa we mi tan na wa be ta go we mi tan la gogo bi no ni se na wa ifa na wa koku gbe we wa ri ama amani o ye ri me we be ni ye ta na o ye ro me we ya be ajo iwe ya be mi ko ya be balon wa so ogun amadia e ma no majo e ma be webo e ma be Nigeria. Oh, it's okay now. Oma said before. Now they okay ne. That is it's more better than before. Ni ya gbese ne wa bi aja me hu me ko wa bi a pray jo igwe mi no kemi no iro me we na because era gbejo na. Okay, David no igbe rajo ni detigi wuwu. Ite ni e yoto o. Ni e yoto. Me se ti ga gun na ni na no ma na lo bi na su wo gbe. Ti wa gu fo be dere o ije na si me ije na do a give dice ni egwerebo so ere life energy o ma no ma mie o wi mie no mie mi no yato ogwa ma baba do have anybody giving akanwane giving have la wodone ni pe ave ri oku o keri eri yan rijian e gari yan be mama enwa gwamadiama ave money meje salo bakpa mi ni ya pass through egena ma won ki madan gugwa gwa egena ma emi ya fi wori ene ko se ebona igese fian o ne madan go gwa ona mu ya gbera gbeju o mu eye kan be webu ni mege kenera bi ja na mi go no ya lele wegu ezo gwari e ku iwe webu anything nera bi jeri dobo go ni wa video pon na mawe awa send e gwe we are ni lawyer we you deal with them because bringing guests to Europe is not a business spiritual money no so why ya wina salo bari e benu wa ya gwali wina arrest ya zere me wa arrest well wa go arrest me arrest but ya zere it's part of my story, you know. Kwage bege me vedene na deti lengu do sanfo abedere. Kwage mieme. Ebi na gbon wa gbon e. No mamu weroga, no do gboga, no do a control woga. Ina call the telephone booth. No simi alagbo doge na mieme. Edero imate ya do amekeri mana ya do calli o rire. Iwa givetero atit unity teme magivi emi yadze. Me wage mete wereri iya me mawe ye be babima. Ye be filisa ne wi ma ya do ko. Me ko se tererere makasi wina. Me wa do de wije. Jore, on a make sure we make gele wa begging ye me de telephone gani aje card ya call the telephone booth. Me na wa aro here na. Ko ista brother ko o ma mi ya wa ma ko me wa ge yo ware. Jore ko ista ina be to na we ko ista o ma o me sinwina me te we sinwina ne sin. Ina we o sister iwe ni ga gwe get liwo wa okay ye me o me say 20 minutes e fu me na wa ring ya no na oti o no mo meri la me wa ke fu me no bage wa no ina we mu o we regbetie na we mu o we regbetie na wa pike. Now well look come on me. Oh ma mwe. Mwe. Gwe na ya liye ki me ya tie tun e wa. Ah. Gwe tama we. Ah we. Bumi adio wa. Bumi adio wa. Ma o we no wa na ba we. Ijibi. Na problem mi vero. Igele ina ahia igi seba $5,000 $5,000 ni yako ukmo bidia bo tato neke eha ni eha 15 euro France 100 francs do aye je 100 francs ria eha 100 francs. Because I get French, me ya rege ngena me so ami euro. Gawe ya 10 euro. Wadam yo ya 10 euro. E trosa no jebe no enwe because again na ni buy kerestoni ba him. Trosa no je no enwe ya we hie 10 euro. Black we no. Ibata na gbugbu. Ojebe 10 euro ya hie we street market. So epo na muli yeke. Epo na muli yeke ma viro baji odo decliness mi ya dem eta o e pancake 2 euro abe pancake ni yaken be Arab store ni yaken be 2 euro abi 2 euro 50 cents ya yaken be gena keko yo pa keke led okpa eberuka maybe eberuka mani go ni ya de ne beruka mujomo hu e picture ni ye mo de na ye mi ari nwuna ye me picture ni uwe mi ya gwale be dokpa ni ma wai ni do muja okme ku ni ya snap me picture so that ni ya jere we na o de ni suwenwina ni suwenwina okay ige kwe mo me bi ate story me and then not you na no simi alagbo de na gele mo me picture we talk again mo me picture we ya jere ya na be save you we ni ya be mi ri ari odobu I when it do pay away $5,000 a trouser a hat 10 euro trouser get material black no material no a hat 10 euro ya here a case sendini ya na delo a toto neck a 10 euro $5,000 when he pay the B $5,000 na devin wa dem emi we dem ma 700 francs or ma 700 euro if not them which is true or la ni na ga ba we or ma 700 euro 5,000 5,000 wa pina we abi bi esun ami wa yan logo ma gbe abo bi ogwe ga mu were we bu yin je keni ya kepa abe be mani makamio go de ebo kwa ga muwela webo ya ga lowe so eri am mise amegele pe onagele wa mano sabi go na yan kigo ya mu me bi ya call you kigo ne igo ne ni ya de look no ma say €100 me $5,000 na ah ya mano say me a plus e ba go me a plus e ba go me eni ma ya batole o before ya Jamaica ewe agbon osaloboa ọmọ no go salob iya seti with me look because iya hegwe iya ha yi me because iya hegwe me ni tawe ri no okekere ya confess boni ni amuji me bae okekere ya temi no me ina rie ege ni mebe osaloboa ina rie bawo konoru egian iya majo yweni ya lugagele ya egwe jo mato ege ni me osao otemo we ona re ba atabi ebe poli mi ado daye lala na bo be confine mana be yari e ba wo konoro ege na we no do ka bodo no do vun tornado emi ne boni gele mini because aye lala gbegu ekere iya mare o majo ya hwere so mi a log in ya be den na iya seti o me mi ropa there is nowhere ni amu mejo he must win in the case so iya we matori iya wa we matori matata so ebonu wa mu yo me ba isi one wa do time me no me this is the time no wa ya time me emi no me o se de meje kese de ni me ga ja ogwa lowo kan diga mi we na wa gba ma wo weke dere no time me emi na eboni mi ebon mi akaka because ege ni me wa enwa so keke no wa time me we jore ebona ni mamujo we ba ege mi no mi wa manata why hani mesunu ji because why hani obe dey aware eterun da me ma dey aware orun da me watch na o dey aware bet we mo bo gun asebege nu we je bo monene ni abi usi mi logo bet ma be yan hani o geche yan kin be family down wa te we eri awa ya je tin ade o eri so eri am say my people ema omo agari omo nu e bo gun amadia trainers uga epo ma je webo jobesi ya mo yo boda mo cause no ede no gbe ba ko ero igo na jobo kan igo si no igo ni ri ni ya mane no ene ya ne no ekwa ne igo weta igo ni ere bank e giro igo ni gira kan igo ni phone esetifo esetifo o ya must to time ma me ne boni eboni me waniti ma emi ro pa bereba esetifo if forgiving ya but they need to talk in ya manata ya mi that's it they need to talk they need to talk when e woro igbo so mana mi no sunu okay can you confess so that other people will learn from it ni arewe oko e ma no ma o osaloba no gume to se we say ya pole ya o ujeme yakpole yan o hono 20 years or hono 30 years yakpole yan ije mene garagma e no wo kan garagmo owo kan ma wo igba mo bo me gbe so ko mo mere ma to ni ma bai o mo mere take crime okay e so ya o me but u lo me gbe e ma alu ma veri o So let's go to another topic. God bless you. As a Christian, I'm a Christian, original Christian. Oh, I'm doing fine. The story is so touching. It's so touching. Anytime ya jere Korean major. We experience boni mi da wa mo bojo we ba wa mi kokro. Ijimi. Mato ya na matori ayila la yiragun abe wa ma confess be ba matori o se ya tati ya tai because saloba no rekete saloba no jo tag mo na ye ni ka no ko na do ya e wijore matori me gwa ba ma oge because adobo me wo o saloba no jiwe ga ba wo go punish me so I ba ma oge e bebe no bi ogwe ni a be no pu o se e ba oge ko so ma na mi go ya gwe duwe o jerun o ya gwe duwe o ga o ovi ogwe no eru no You hear win we no me go ni. Anybody no mo re bama. Oh, honu tawai I be iron. Nobody go fit do me anything. Oh, you go almost to me. Almost to me. With prayer no na. Oh, here we don neru. Oh, we on neru. Oh, one on neru. Almost to ya wini we be kissing. Why bama oge won? Always say the truth. The truth shall set you free. God will bless everybody. Wa we me say. Ugari oma yo wa ni we mwe wa room no ma. Brother, pas de confesse derrière. Oh ouais, on m'a de confesse ou auto talo mame. Oh oui, y'a lock, y'a les mots wa no ma vitali, y'a les lock ma. Wa ga be no do ta mame o. Gegbe wa wenye y'a wa rie ma lock, y'a les mots wa room no ma. E avance ni rie na we be ni meje. Me se ti jaje y'a les lock yo ma. Ko su me so wa na be mo e wa room na na. O me na mu wa be jie. Emi yamaka kabo wo esova o because ni yamana ke 3,000 la ya mu kun wa ni ya ogwe 300 ni ya wa pay ni e la lord yare bai yama egwe all those things is a chicken money tell la lord wa oni e wa help wa because so wa when in France je we am 3 rooms ebe na no we ebe nu ya pay tax ebe nu empo nenemi I don't know where go rere you get my point. I'm one very oh. He must support her because yeah. I'm yani mwe wawaru mwe boma. Oni gunya EGA. Wa gunya gwa onya we to control ya. Wa atamiani ya si level la wa. Iya we tin ya pay go wa no control ya. Wa atamiani ya kwa lo ame ne bi ge ka bokpolo. Iya we to control ya. So I know they where. Enata ma we uga ewo wa ni mafu we gbere ukpa. Abi e ma very wa. Ukpa Ugareto wa boma no need to know ya agbela lodi o ilaledi una wumi na mi ukpa uga ewe laledi ma pure eri omu ni biakala wa eri oge eri kwenu lakoni eri kwenu kwebe betru there is no need of complain about it. You know, there is no need. Hey, anything in me time in live video, anything, any topic or anything, memo enyawu. Oga bona ni me wa beta na me mama enyawu. Ah, ke me igu ese mi okpa. Memo problem enyawu. Ogoni job we iwa agwon we live video. Ya wa fi live video na enter another live. In la normal life me. For ogo salt and water megije. Because there is life of YouTube level life, there is outside life. Oh, we na wa ya talo be YouTube be ya talo wo wa we say ya wa finish na be ya mo me no ko igbenya gbeme gwa le film yin gbeme ye ko la we beti ya watch a preaching in like, you know. So what we ni me na wa talo ma ri be talo wo wa we say or when you go yam we bojo me ya be finish live video with be beta imi obena e live video ya see ya eju ya wa beta na is over for you imu enyanwo ido mu enyanwo ba ni meje na. So area me say all my people in the house I'm with problem in, okay, I'm with matanya no matter what I'm with matanya saloba we say try fight your life you way. E ga lo ni soma. E ma ni bula kini an lo ni soma. Wa gege anu je go ma favor we pack and go. You don't even need to they say why agbele hegi. You don't even need to they say why azese ya danene. Go away from that area. Uga de mi Africa so e yoge no de please you. E leba. Humanity no area eni wa mi anybody we or any ya de bi mana be there e ma e we. Uwa ewere wa be gbo ma bai oga mi we otemi ogugu me temi wa unu gba ni go we temi e please me na iwa stop eri o wa se yen abia ohun san lo bo e be complain cause o we mi no yin lesson ya e de mi mo ye kin wa ye bu yen re eri ya nerun je mi amyegene kiya less e de o or less. I'm going to church with ya less. There is nothing less. Ose no saloba na ta severi ogwe. Emi okparo no jodu ku na veri oto. We mi ode ove. vo via ya nyuwe o via iwa nyu gmeso wa nyu gba ugmeso bo odo aye no rioto ugmeso we o vente gba bia nyu ba e mana mo giladia ina tukmo ije o via be nyu ugmeso we kemi no sunu amegwa be sun abi eri life inaji do ma enu he bete maso ni ma on sawo yan hian iya wa ati hian fa veni ya wasu when na be no de awa increase salary ya 100,000 on ya wa gwalo o veni ya wa fi give me ve na ya wa win millions o area ya wa gbon kere no ugmeso no wa be mi go yari ba bo ugmeso be mi eri life ji e life mu yo muri abi